Hello dear children, this video is on chapter 6, Omena's Journey, from Looking Around Textbook in ABS for class 4. Before we go into the details of the lesson, let us ponder and think, and let us try to answer some questions which are on your screen. Some of the very simple questions are here for you. Did you travel recently? During the COVID or just before COVID? Where did you go? Which place did you travel? With whom did you travel? With your family members or with your friends? Okay, and the next question, why did you go there? To visit someone, or it was a family holiday, or any other reason? Maybe accompanying your father on his official trip. So why did you go? And finally, please answer to yourself. How did you travel to reach to your destination or the place which you visited recently? You must have got lots of answers for these questions, isn't it? That yes, you have traveled, and why did you go? Which place did you go? How did you go? By train, by bus, by car, or by flight, isn't it? So here also in this video, we are having the beautiful experience of Omena. Omena is a little girl like you all. So in this video, we will observe and identify the people, places and the natural scenes which Omena watches at the platform and also from the window of the train. Locate the states which Omena passes through, and also know about the different people who are working on the platform and also on the train. And all these helps us to enjoy our trip, enjoy our journey whenever we go anywhere. So let us go into the lesson. The very first page in the lesson is a beautiful page from Omena's diary. Yes, Omena is a little girl who writes diary. But let us see how did it start and when did it start is one of the page. Let us start reading. Omena and her best friend Radha were very excited. Okay, both the friends are very much excited. Why? They were going on a trip to Kerala. Omena was going to her grandmother's house. But Radha, she was going with her family for a holiday. Just now we discussed, isn't it? We go to a different place for various reasons, to meet our grandparents or our uncle and aunt, or just to visit the place, to enjoy the natural beauty and the important buildings of a place, isn't it? So similarly, Radha was going for a holiday. Omena's father had gone to book the train tickets for both the families. Then, just 2 days before their journey, Radha, she fell from her bicycle and fractured her right leg. Oh God, what a tragedy! Her leg was put in a plaster. Naturally, they showed the doctor. And what did the doctor say? The doctor said that she could not move her leg for 6 big long weeks. Radha's family had to cancel the tickets. The two friends were very sad. They had made so many plans about what they would do together. Now we can see that both the girls are very sad, and Radha's Amma had an idea. Before that, now Radha, she's fallen down from the bicycle, she's fractured her right leg and her leg is in a plaster. Okay, so what is a plaster? It is a bandage which is mixed with plaster of Paris. It is made wet and is put on the fractured bone so that the bone stays intact and you cure yourself very fast. Okay, at times synthetic bandages are also used whenever we have a fracture in our hand or in our elbows or on the bones of your legs. Okay, so that is what is called plaster. Hope none of you in the class have faced this. It's very painful also at times. Stay healthy, children. So we saw here that Radha's Amma, she had an idea. Now what is her idea? Omena, why don't you write down everything in your diary? This way, When you come back, Radha can read all about your trip. This way, you will not forget anything and it will also help you to pass the time on the train. Both the friends thought this was a very good idea. So, Omana liked it very much because all the time you cannot sit on the window in the train. When it goes dark, what do? At that time, Omana can sit and write down everything in the diary, what she did for the whole day. And Radha can read the diary and find out how Omana spent her time in the train. So both the friends thought this idea was very good. Omana went home and found a notebook with blank pages to write all about her journey. Here are some pages from Omana's diary for you to read. And here children, I have also thought that you can also start writing diary. It's a very beautiful hobby. You can take it as a hobby. You can write about your feelings, about yourselves, about what you want to do, isn't it? About your dreams, anything which excites you, whenever you feel sad. These things can be written in the diary. Very simple. What you need, you only need a diary, your pencil box, maybe some few color pencils to decorate your pages, and get set go. Why don't you start? Okay. And now you're in lockdown, sitting at home, away from your friends, away from the school and the teachers, the building and the playground and your computer lab. So you're sitting with your family members, enjoying your family time. So why don't you start writing a beautiful diary on the lockdown, about yourself, about your family members, how you're spending your time with your family during this lockdown, even about your pets and whatever new things you have learned during this lockdown. So get set go, start writing your diary. Let us go on with the lesson. As soon as they reached the station, okay, they started their trip from Ahmedabad station. So they reached the station and they checked their names in the reservation chart. What is a reservation chart? A reservation chart is a chart made and the names on the reservation chart are the travelers, those who are having the tickets of the train. If you buy the ticket of any train, your name is put on the reservation chart. You can go and find out your name and board that compartment. Okay, so that way it helps you to find out in which compartment I'm going to travel. The coach was already full. Why? Because the train was starting not from Ahmedabad junction but from Gandhidham. So from Gandhidham, when the train started, I will share the map with you children. So when the train started from Gandhidham, people were already in the train. And so when the coach was already full because the train had started from Gandhidham. When the train came, people were getting off and others were pushing and trying to put their luggage inside, all from one door. So one compartment is having one door in front and one door at the back. People were pushing each other to get into the train, and some were pushing each other to come out of the train along with luggage and children and family members. So there was a big rush near the door of the compartment. So this is the map, children. The map which shows you Omana's journey. Omana traveled through all these states. So let us enlarge it and let us start seeing this. We can see that the train started from Gandhidham. Omana boarded the train from Ahmedabad. Now this is in Gujarat state, isn't it? You can see the map of Gujarat. Then they go to Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, and finally which place? Yes, finally they reach the state of Kerala. And where are they going? They are going to Kottayam. And Kottayam is the place where Omana's grandmother lives. So quickly let us see all about the states which Omana is going to cross. So the first state where Omana is staying is Gujarat. They boarded the train from Ahmedabad, isn't it? Okay, can you find out what is the state? Yes, anybody? Yes, very good. Your recognition, you have found it correct, identified it as Maharashtra. Capital of Maharashtra? Well done. That's Mumbai. Next, the small state of our country. Yes, it is Goa, and the capital of Goa is Panaji. Okay. After Goa, they crossed, yes, this beautiful state of Karnataka. Very nice natural beauty of Karnataka, and finally they touched the state of Kerala to reach their destination. And which place? It is Kottayam. Okay. Now these are the states, the western states of India, Rajasthan, Gujarat and Maharashtra, followed by the southern states of Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. We also have Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and the new state of Telangana in the south. But Omana did not travel to all those states. She only touched the state of Goa, Karnataka and Kerala in these lessons. Okay. Let us continue with the lesson. Omana's family got in and settled down with their luggage. By the train started. Most of the people had found their seats and arranged their luggage. They all sat down, kept their luggage, took their seats. Aram se they sat on their seats. Okay. After some time, the ticket collector came and checked the tickets. What is the work of the ticket collector? The work of the ticket collector is to check the tickets. How can you know he's a ticket collector? You can see his uniform, children. He wears a black coat and he also wears a badge. The railway badge comes and checks the ticket to find out if the passengers are sitting in their proper seats. Very helpful people they are. Okay. Amma and Appa had the lower berths. Unni and I have the middle berths. So let us see inside of the train. It also the picture of the train. So interior of the train, you have berths on both the sides and both the sides have one toilet. So you can see these are the lower berths. Okay. And we also have the middle berth like this and the upper berths also. There were 2 college students on the upper berth. So you can see all the 3 berths here, the lower berth, the middle berth and the upper berth. On the other berths, there was a family with 2 children, the side berths. Yes, the children were of Omana and her brother's age. Omana thought of making friendship with them. Omana's Amma had packed a lot of food. Dhokla with chutney, lemon rice and some mithai. Omana's mouth was watering. That means she was very hungry and she wanted to eat. After lunch, some people slept. But Omana looked out of the window. She saw many fields. And how were the fields? The fields were brown and dry. She also saw small villages. Earlier, it was very hot. But as evening came, there was breeze, cool breeze because the sun is setting, the night is falling. The sun was slowly setting. The time is 4:30, okay? And the sky had become orange. Omana had never seen a sky like this in Ahmedabad. The journey continued. The train stopped at Valsad station. So what is the time now? It is 4:30. For only 2 minutes and there was so much of noise. What noise? Chai garam chai, batata vada, puri shaak. So you can see the beautiful Valsad station, the picture of the Valsad station from inside and also the exterior look of the station. It is a very clean station also, quite newly built. And always on the platforms we have small shops of food, of eatables, fruits, isn't it? Or some fast food like chips and puri and sabzi and batata vada and all this chai, tea stalls, book stalls also. And then here also, Valsad station had a lot of stalls, doodh, thanda doodh. People were selling and buying food on the platform. Omana's family quickly bought some bananas and chiku for their journey and they boarded the train. Omana made some friends. They were Sunil and Anne. They were going to the grandmother's house in Kozhikode. So Sunil and Anne, they were going to Kozhikode. Where is Omana going? Yes, Omana and her family, they are going to Kottayam. So this is Kozhikode and this is Kottayam. Okay, so Omana and her brother made friends and they are also going to their grandmother's house. Omana is also going to her grandmother's house. Same page, isn't it? Sunil had given me some storybooks to read. Okay, so this much is there in this lesson. And as Omana continues her journey, we will also enjoy her journey. How? Because she has written it in her activity. The activity is, on the map of India, draw the route of your trip and find out the states you have crossed. Wherever you have been, children, like Omana travelled from Gandhidham, from Ahmedabad to Kottayam, and she crossed the states of Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and finally reached Kerala, isn't it? You have also been to many places. Think of where you travelled, okay, or where you would like to travel. If you have not travelled anywhere, no problem, children. You can think of any place where you would like to travel and then you can have a map like this. You can draw. From this map is showing you the travel from Howrah to Mumbai and the states you cross when you are traveling. Okay, there's another map for you here. This map is showing you the journey from Howrah to Delhi and what are the states you will cross when you're going to Delhi. You can take Delhi, you can take Guwahati, you can take Patna, you can take Jodhpur, you can take Ahmedabad, you can take Kashmir, Bengaluru, Chennai, any place. So wherever you want to travel or if you have travelled, draw a map like this and you can find out which stage you are going to cross or you have crossed. Nice activity. So thank you children. Hope you have enjoyed this video. In the next video, we will be dealing with the NCERT solution and also have a quick look on what we have understood in video 1. Okay, take care. Bye children.